Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure the Google app is installed and updated. This provides the search widget and voice features. Once done, free a bit of home screen space and long press an empty area to open the launcher menu. Make sure to choose widgets from the options. This brings up all available widgets including Google Search and Google Discover. Tap and hold the Google Search widget to begin placement. You're now ready to move it onto a home screen panel and proceed to sizing and permissions. You drag the Google Search widget where you want it and release to drop it into position. Placement affects visibility and reachability. Next, resize by dragging the widget's edges. Commonly 1x4 or 1x5 works well for search bars, so it aligns with icons and avoids overlap. Make sure to tap the widget or open Google App Settings to grant permissions like microphone and location if you want voice or local results. Once configured, test the search box and voice command to confirm input and privacy settings. To finish, tidy the layout by moving nearby icons so the bar sits cleanly. Then lock the home screen layout if your launcher supports it so the widget won't shift. Test both typed queries and voice search. If results don't appear, open Google App Settings to review default search app, language, and microphone permissions. If the widget is missing or crashes, update or reinstall the Google app and restart the phone. One key tip: clearing the Google App Cache often fixes widget loading issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.